Hello guys, welcome back to Hari Academy. This is your Sudarshan for our day 20th video in a stat and tips and tricks series. Okay, in this video, we are going to see about the sequence and series related with AP and GP combination problem. Many times they are asking this problem also. First, I will try to decode the question. Three numbers are in AP. Okay, their sum is 15. They are given. Three numbers are in AP. Their sum is 15. They are given. 8, 6, 4 be added to them respectively. Their numbers are in GP. So we will take with an option. We will go by trial and error method, which is simplest method. I will go with trial and error method. All my options, all my A, B, and C, everything will give satisfy my first condition. Because 2, 6, 7, 4, 6, 5, 3, 5, 7, all the conditions satisfied. But the sum is satisfied. You need to understand AP. AP means what? The differences should be same. That is 2, 6, and 7. What is the differences? 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 6, 1. So the differences is not correct. Then I will go with option B. 4, 6, and 5. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 6, 1. The difference is not same, not answer. C. 3, 5, 7. Both should add, I will get 15. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. So my common difference is 2. So it is in AP. And all the put together total, my condition 1 is satisfied. Then I will go with my condition 2 by taking the option 3, 5, and 7. Okay, 3, 5, and 7. So this 3, 5, and 7, if you are going to see, it is 8, 6, 4. I will add 8 plus 6 plus 4. It is 11, then 11, then 11. So they are saying it is in GP. Yes, it is in GP. 11, 11, 11. You will say it is 11 by 11, which is equal to 1. 11 by 11, which is equal to 1. So it is in GP. My condition 2 is also satisfied. My answer is going to be option C. Okay, when it is an AP, the number should be in increasing trend or it should be in a decreasing trend. It should not fluctuate. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.